used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with this life, like kryptonite. And if you keep me close every minute.
Hey, what's up guys, my name is Samad and you're watching Mr Salesman. Hope you guys are doing good. So guys, I just showed you some wallpaper rolls. Did you like them? And now what if I tell you that I'm putting these wallpaper rolls on sale on the price tag of $15.99. Yes, you heard me correctly, $15.99 Pakistan rupees. So this is a very cheap price tag for USA wallpapers, a branded wallpaper. So in this video I'm gonna show you some designs of these wallpapers. So before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button. If you haven't already, click the bell notification icon next to the subscribe button to be notified when I upload a new video. So without wasting any time, अब चलते हैं product की तरफ. So guys, there is a catalog right here. These are the designs as you can see. These are some amazing designs. There are some floral designs in it, some geometrical designs, and some 3D as well. As you can see over here. There is a pretty nice glossiness on these designs. Some are self-textured, some are glossy. This is a chocolate brown color. These rolls are made in USA. So these are branded rolls, American rolls. If you like any of these rolls, just pause the video, take a screenshot. My number will be present in the description box below, so you can ask me for more details for availability of the rolls. Look at the 3D effect of this design. This is a really good gold glossy effect. Okay, so this is a self-textured design, as you can see. There are a lot of designs in this, so don't skip the video or you'll miss out any design. Be sure to watch the video till the end. Just look at the self-textures, look at the 3D effect of this design. This sky green color. And this is a floral design of the pine trees. Just look at the design, it's so amazing and it's so cheap as well. $15.99, you won't get any of the wallpapers in $15.99. Even China doesn't export it in that much. So be sure to avail the sale. You need to subscribe to my channel in order to avail the sale. Send me a screenshot of the subscribe button on my WhatsApp number. This is another glossy effect, glossy silver effect of the tropical design. Okay, so a roll size is 21 inches in width and it covers 50 square feet area of a wall. That means if you have a 5 by 10 wall, there will be one roll needed, and if you have a 10 by 10 wall, there will be 2 rolls needed. This is another sky green color. So now we have the floral designs. Okay, so watch the video till the end, because at the end of the video I'm gonna be showing a display of these wallpapers which you applied on the walls. So don't miss out that. You can see, you can have an example like how it would look on a wall, because this catalog doesn't have a display, unfortunately. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna show you. There are some matte finish wallpapers as well. This one is a self-textured, as you can see. This is another self-textured wallpaper with a little bit of matte finish. If you have a big room, you can apply the dark wallpapers, and if you have a small room, you can apply these light wallpapers. This is a funky designs for the kid room. You can put these wallpapers on your bedrooms, your living rooms, your lounge, and even in your studios. These are the stripe designs. There are some stone patterns on these designs, some marble effect, some stone effect. This is another self-textured design. These are another stripe designs. Don't forget to take the screenshots of your favorite design. And after watching the video, you can go in the description and you can find my number there and contact me. There's a matte finish design, a matte finish beige color design. There's another marble effect design. Okay, so this is the last design, and now I'm gonna show you the displays. So guys, these were the USA wallpapers, a branded wallpaper roll which I am giving out in 1600 rupees per roll. But there's one more special offer for you guys who are watching me till the end. So I'm giving out one free roll on the 10 roll order. Like if you get 10 rolls, there will be one free roll. Any wallpaper you decide, it will be free for you. So in order to do that, you just need to subscribe to my channel and go in the comment section and write what I said. And you can mention the timestamp as well. So yeah, if you want to buy these rolls, my number will be present in the description box below. You can contact me on a WhatsApp number for more details. For the next video, Allah Hafiz.